In this session, we'll be focusing on how to save your file as a JPEG and submitting that in to the assignment. In this assignment, we're going to focus on how to save your file as a PNG file, a PNG file, and submit it into the assignment. So first and foremost, you got to make sure you finish all your ground selection and color, architecture, ground selection and color, and also the sky as well using the gradient tool. Once you are finished with the project, go to File, and go to Export, and go to Quick Export as PNG. Once you have that set up, name it in your name. So it'll be your name and put Photoshop Render, where you know where to find it in the name as well. Once you have that, save it to the desktop and say save. Once you have that set up, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your assignment and replace this image. So because we saved it to the desktop, we simply click on the image, click on replace the image, and say upload from computer. And go to desktop, and you should be able to find your name and say Photoshop Render. There's the image, click open, and it should replace the image that is here with yours. Once you are done, change your name here, and also just press turn in the Google Classroom.